Today we are doing a chameleon red tint on this 2026 Cadillac CT5. This vehicle has no window tint at all. It is brand new, straight from the factory. So we bought this chameleon red color changing film to change the look and feel of this brand new Cadillac. It all starts in the prep work, and during the process, we take extra care of the leather and electronics. We do a deep interior glass cleaning, ensuring no cracks and crevices are missed. And we have a professional grade plotter. This ensures that fitment is perfect. Ooh, wait! Look at that change. This chameleon sunset red tint is going to look amazing. We usually see the windshields being done in chameleon tint, but this customer opted in to do the entire vehicle. We just finished this sunset red tint on this Cadillac CT5. Ooh, wait! Let's take it outside and see how it looks. This brand new Cadillac is ready to hit the road and break some necks. We are headed back to deliver this beautiful Cadillac CT5 with chameleon sunset red tint. Wait to see the customer's reaction. As you guys can see, looking from inside out, it is crystal clear. Hey, Danny.
Hey.
Take a look.
Oh yeah, that's nice. Yeah, looks good.
And it's crystal clear from the inside. Go ahead and hop in.
Oh yeah, you can't even tell.
And that is a wrap. I think we succeeded. This customer is extremely happy with the results. And if you guys are needing ceramic, carbon, or chameleon window tint, visit us at showroomdetailingokc.com.